Walking tall with trees. Unhappiness is the glue that holds this reality together. How can we be happy in a world that is worshiping unhappiness? We can take the gods of unhappiness off of our altars of limitation and choose happiness. We dare to laugh. We look outside of Circus Maximus, where gladiator fights are constantly instigated from the ancient, repetitive playbook of war that stimulates pain, fear, and endless unhappiness. If we chose happiness and left Circus Maximus, by the way, what is Circus Maximus? It's the amphitheater in Rome where the gladiators were fighting. Okay, that was called Circus Maximus.